I hope this will make a meaning since court has ordered the arrest of Wike's director in FCT and 10 others. Is it over the PDP secretariat that has been sealed or what? I hope this is going to hold water. Let us get to the nitty gritty of it all.
Court orders arrest of Wike-led FCTA director, 10 others. An Abuja High Court has issued a bench warrant against the Director of Investigation and Prosecution of the FCTA, Joseph Eriki, and 10 others. Justice Suleiman Belgore issued the order to compel the director and others to appear before the court for a suit filed against them. The judge's decision followed the application of the prosecuting counsel, David Kasui, who lamented the failure of the effort to ensure that the suspects appear in court. Justice Suleiman Belgore of the High Court in Abuja has issued a warrant of arrest against Joseph Eriki, the Director of Investigation and Prosecution of the Nyesom Wike-led Federal Capital Territory Administration, FCTA, and 10 others. The judge had issued the order to compel the appearance of Joseph Eriki and 10 others before the court as they had been arraigned in a suit filed against them by the federal government. The warrant was issued following an application by the prosecution counsel, David Kasui, who stated that all efforts to ensure the suspect's presence in court had failed. Imagine, court call you, you say no, you are not going. But why is the federal government issuing an order against them? Kasui informed the court that the prosecution had made several attempts to notify the suspect's lawyer and sureties, but to no avail. He cited Section 124 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, ACJA, which allows for the issuance of a bench warrant to compel attendance in court. The court agreed to the application, issuing the warrant to ensure the suspect's appearance for arraignment on a 6-count charge. Okay, why? The charges against the suspects include criminal conspiracy, against two, criminal trespass, forgery, and using a forged document as genuine. They are also accused of using criminal force to deter a public servant from performing their duty. The suspect allegedly entered a plot of land belonging to Ethereal Ventures and constructed structures without authorization to defraud the company. No be small thing. According to the prosecution, the suspect fraudulently obtained a consent judgment for the land, which was given to Superstructures Limited. The case has been adjourned until June 4 for arraignment. The court's decision to issue a bench warrant highlights the seriousness of the allegations and the need for the suspects to face trial. The suspects are facing a 6-count charge, which was filed in February. The court's ruling emphasizes the importance of a speedy trial and the need for the suspects to be held accountable for their actions. With the bench warrant in place, the court is taking steps to ensure that the suspects appear in court and face the charges against them. Wow. Tinubu's actions follow the FCTA's move in sealing the PDP headquarters and other 4,793 properties in Abuja over the failure of the owners to pay the ground rent. According to the FCTA, the owners of the properties are government agencies, corporate organizations, and individuals who owe between 10 to 45 years. No be small. At Anthony says this is happening under the nose of Tinubu and Wike. Yes, now it's happening under their nose. And they might even know about it. Who knows? They might know about it. Jimmy said, I have been saying it and I'll say it again. Wike will never see peace for the rest of his life. He would die like a fowl crushed by a bicycle. Even the Bible said it that there shall be no peace for the wicked. So there's no peace for the wicked person. For him to announce results in favor of Tinubu in Rivers State, where I was the presiding officer, Peter B. Gap he gave Tinubu in the election was not just 70%. Oh, my brother, we know that Peter B won the election. I was crying when the result was announced. I know Nigeria is finished. And this is what has been happening. Imagine. So did you hear that Peter B won more than 70%, more than Tinubu in the election because he was the presiding officer there. It is well. GIC says, where is Abba Kyari during Buhari time? Wike, it's just time that will tell. It is really time that will tell. He thinks this thing is going to last forever. I don't know if he thinks it's going to be here forever. But nobody is going to be here forever. Nobody is going to be here. And you will reap what you sow. Everything that he is reaping now, he might not be the one to sow it. It is his children that will sow it. He's doing things now. He's feeling like everything. He's feeling so important. He's feeling like is on top of the world. It is when you go that you will not be here to see your children suffering. I know that you are planning good life for them. You are doing everything to make sure that your children have the good life. But see, life happens, and it might not come upon you. It will come upon your children. If it doesn't come upon your children, it will come upon your children's children. You people must repeat. This seed of wickedness that you are sowing now, you will repeat. Your generation will repeat, whether you like it or not. Luther John says, FCTA, Joseph, Eric, and 10 others are working with Wike. These people have no power to do anything without Wike. So Wike himself should be arrested, exactly. But they will not talk. Even if they talk, maybe it is the same federal government now that is now filing a suit against them. So what are they going to do? And it is very obvious that Wike would definitely know about it. He knows. Haruna says, Wike is the president of your country, Nigeria. Before, uncle. Before. He's the president now. He's the one ruling us. He's the one giving direction, giving directives. He's in charge. He's our president. We know. We know. Franklin Jacob says, judiciary system in Nigeria is failed. They have sold out their birthright in 2023. They sold out their birthright towards the presidential election 2023 period. And I don't sabi. James G says, judiciary is the death in Nigeria. Very soon, judges will be treated like police officers. Before, of course, people no longer take them serious. People no longer take them serious. Supreme Court, lawyers, judges, they are becoming what I don't know. Like how? Judges in USA, they stopped Trump from giving a go ahead that the people of Harvard should not enroll students, should not enroll foreign students again. They stopped him from doing that. Judges have the right to say no to a president, and the president cannot do anything because they have more say than the president. The judges can sentence the president to jail, but not in our own country. The judges have turned themselves into puppets. They have turned themselves into what I don't know. They'll be treated with absolutely no respect very soon. Yes, because police now will respect them. Nobody respects them. Judges too now that we used to play in high esteem that yes, this one are judges. Now they don't become Iba Ekole. It is well. Ugo Kejo says, Wike, who has been paying you on bribery basis, cannot allow his men to appear before you. He can send them to jail. He will be working for you now. He knows how to remove himself. Ntubasi says, will they obey? Wike is the second president of Nigeria. He is actually the president. He's not the second. He's not second in command. He's the one giving command. But one day it will end. And that one day is 2027. We hope so. The following people who will be arrested by the next president are FCT Minister, President Chief of Staff, Labour, Information Minister, Chief of Army Staff, Chief Judge of Nigeria, Interior of Affairs, Minister of Justice, Rivers State Administrator. Let's hope so. Let's just hope so. And this is over to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.